Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how easily we can pair a Black Shark Lucifer T2 with any Windows PC. First of all, we have to open this charging case and wait until this indicators turns off. Next, we have to input both earbuds and just take a look for these indicators. As you can see, they are blinking, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we have to put them close to our laptop. And we have to go to the settings. And go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Click on the switcher. And then click to add device. Right now select Bluetooth. Next, we have to wait until they pop on the list. We can also scroll down. As you can see, they appears right here. So select them from this available devices list. Click done. At the end, I can recommend you to go for the system settings, then go for the sound and take a look for input and output device. As you can see, the output is selected for our earbuds, but the input it's not, so we have to switch. And right now we'll be able to use the microphone of our earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.